Welcome to Kitty Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute ghost. Draw the head. Draw the arms and the hands. Draw the flowy body of the ghost. Draw a few curved wavy lines connecting both ends of the body. Draw the eyes and the mouth with the tongue inside. Draw some creepy holes on his body. Good job! Now you can draw a cute little ghost. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing.